All right, we are going to make it look like an article. We're going to make your typing look like an article. And I'm playing a little soundtrack over here. I'm not really sure if you can hear it or not, but it's like the home stretch. And we're just feeling good. We're almost done with this. We're going to feel proud of ourselves. Inspiration. All right, so we want to make it look like an article. We are going to go to the article. Oh, beautiful. All right, this is mine on the Civil War. If you remember, now yours looks like this too. Just beautiful paragraphs. Got your title at the top. Let me show you exactly what you're going to do in order to move this. Let's put this up here. All right, so you can see my heading up here, the Civil War, File, Edit, View. You are going to go to Format in the top left corner. Click on Format. You're going to go into Columns. You scroll over, you'll see this middle one. Now I have 2 columns. Now, you might notice that some of your text features, if you included them, are not lined up. If that's the case, you just have to click and move them to a point where it does make sense. There. That map shows. Perfect. Now you have 2 columns. You have your title. You can actually make their title stand out a little more if you'd like. Make sure that you are on here and your name. Now, depending on how your essay is laid out, I would think that 2 columns is the best. There is an option to make it into 3 columns, but for me, this looks too scrunched up. I don't really love that, so I'm actually going to go back to the 2-column method. I have my text feature, I have my title, and that's it. It's really simple, short video. Remember, I'll do it one more time. Go up to Format, go to Columns. Your original is going to look like this. So Format, Columns, Middle, perfect. Now you have a magazine article. Make sure you have a nice little title. You have your name. That's only what some people call me. There we go. And you should be pretty good. Feel good? All right. Good work.